In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or hide the grid on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. And then on the left side, you want to go down underneath Image Windows and select Appearance. And on the right side where it says Grid, Show Grid, go ahead and check mark that. And you want to do that as well underneath the full screen mode option too. Or if you want to uncheck it, you don't want to show the grid, that's fine. Just select OK. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.